125 ml. And we also have half a cup of milk. And we also have 2 eggs. And inside the package we have a flour of red velvet, cream cheese, omelette, and red sprinkles. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay, we started on 2 eggs. So, push it first, and we push it first, get it inside, and we're going to put at this giant bowl. Okay, I'm going to put 2 eggs inside. Ooh, so can't wait. We have 2 eggs already put inside. Okay. And then we're going to put milk. Oh, cool. And we also put half a cup of oil inside. After that, we're going to mix it nice and creamy and properly. So we're going to mix until it's nice. Okay, guys. Spatula tepung pengaseh. Look at this, guys. Woohoo, it's bubbly. If you see it like this, you're going to put this flour of red velvet. And then we're going to mix it. Ooh, red velvet mix, red color. I like red velvet, guys, so that's why I want to make a red velvet. Delicious! Mix it until it's nice and good. Wow! Okay, if you see like this is the result. Look at that, so creamy. We're going to put inside this container, flour container my mom bought. Okay? Okay, let's go to put inside slowly and properly. Don't rush it. This is the result. Okay. And then we're going to put in the oven or boiler for 180 Celsius for 30 minutes. Okay guys, use a pick to see if it's clean or not. Or it's cooked or not. Ooh, it's not sticky. That means it's cooked. Good, right guys? Okay, let's smell it. So delicious. Oh, wow. Okay, so now let's take a plate first. And then we're going to put up here so we can flip it over and see the reveal. Okay, so I'm scared. Oh my gosh, look at that, so pretty. Let's touch it. Ooh, it's good. So delicious. Now let's make a topping. First, we're going to put this cream cheese powder inside of this bowl. Make it properly. Then, we're going to put this ice cube with water. So it be cold water. So we're going to put inside properly. Yeah. Oh my God. Whoa. And then we're going to mix it. This is inside. Let's mix it. Oh my god, look at that, so pretty. Let me mix it out here as well and combine. And then you need to put evalet inside this cream cheese. I don't want to use the special first. Put all of them inside. Oh my gosh. This smells so good. So good. Okay, we're to blend it. Look at that. So creamy, so good. Oh my god. Just pour it. Oh my god, no. Oh my god, how to do this? Okay, use this one, spatula, and put it right here. Thank you. Look at that, so pretty. It's okay if not perfect or not, just do it. And then we put sprinkles. Don't need to be perfect, just put it. The topping make it perfect. Okay, then let's put the topping of strawberries, the last one. Yeah, let's all keep it together. Yeah. I want to do like this step. Just like this. This is cute, right? If we put it. So I want to put 3 right here and 3 right here. Okay? So yeah. Need to put. Okay. Oh my god, so cute. Okay. Then I want to put this. Maybe so it's good already. One more. Oh my god. Guys, look at that. Cute. Taste testing time. Make sure. Get up. Okay. Oh my god. Whoa, jiggly and wobbly. Taste test. I want to use this one. Delicious. Try it. You need to, if you make it, it's so delicious, you know, guys. Taste it. Okay, guys, I have finished, but before that, I have 2 kinds of tepung pengaseh cakes. So we have tepung pengaseh red velvet and also tepung pengaseh chocolate, like brownies, but it's a little bit different. And also, I even can do it, guys. Even you, even adults. So yeah, so bye. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum.